Welcome everyone, my name is Teacher Glen and this is the Tagalog version of my discussion for Measures of Central Tendency. Simulan na natin. Measures of Central Tendency, a single figure which is representative of the general brief of magnitude or values of items in the data. So naghahanap lang tayo ng single figure na representative ng isang magnitude or values of items. Now, there are four commonly used measure of position or central tendency. Ito ay ang mean, median, mode, and quantiles. So, pag sinabi nating mean, by the way, ito ang kanyang symbol, X bar. Ito yung calculated average. We add all our data divided by the total number of data. Number 2 is the median. Ito nga pala ang symbol niya. Parang X bar din pero hindi na straight yung nasa taas niya. May pa-curve ng konti. So pag sinabi nating median, ito ay rank or position average. Ito yung middle score or middle item or middle observation sa set ng ating mga data. And then mode, pangatlo, ito ang kanyang symbol. Meron siyang parang arrow pataas. This is what we call the inspected average. So itong tatlong ito, mean, median, mode, average po silang lahat. But for mode, inspect the most frequent occurrence. And then ang pang-apat, ito na yung measure of position. Tinatawag natin itong quantiles. These are values that divides the observation into equal parts. So kapag nahati siya into 4, we call it quartiles. Pag nahati yung observation into 10 equal parts, this is called deciles. At pag nahati naman into 100, this is percentiles. Let me show you an example. Let's start with decile versus percentile. Meron silang pagkapareho. Decile 1, ito ay parehas sa percentile 10. Pag decile 2, ito ay parehas sa percentile 20. Hinati ko ng 10, hinati ko rin ng 10 yung percentile. So, parehas lang sila. Now, itong figure na ito ay mga tao. So, example, you are the fourth tallest person in a group of 20. So, 20 kayo, and then sinabing ikaw yung pang-apat na pinakamatangkad. Ang ibig sabihin nun, 80% of people are shorter than you. Shorter yung pinag-uusapan. So, na-arrange kayo from shortest to tallest. And then, itong 16 na ito yung 80% na mga tao na mas maliit sa'yo. At tinatawag yan na 80th percentile or pwede rin nating sabihin 8 decile. So, pag sinabi nating ang height na 1.85 ay siyang 80th percentile in the group. Okay, by the way, ang 1.85 meters, katumbas yan ng 6 feet 1 inches. Pang basketball player yan. If your height is 1.85 meters, then 1.85 meters is the 80th percentile height in the group. Paano ba kinocompute yan? So, meron akong percentile 80 rito. Ito lagi yung formula, by the way. Merong capital N plus 1, where N is the total number of item or total number of observation. In our example, yung ating capital N ay 20. So that if I compute this, so magiging equals, open parenthesis, ang N ko ay 20, then plus 1, close parenthesis, times 80 divided by 100. Okay, so ang sagot ay 16.8. So 80th percentile ito. Now, wala namang tao na pang 16.8. Integral ito, no? Hindi pwedeng by decimal. So dapat buo. Pag sinabing integral, buo. So ito, i-round off natin into whole number, buo. So, magiging 17. So, pag nagbilang ako, 17, magsisimula ako rito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ikaw yung pang 17. So, therefore, ikaw yung pang 80th percentile. Ganon din kapag decile 8, since parehas sila, yung decile 8, 8 ito, tapos decile is 10. So, 8 over 10. Gagamitin natin yung formula that's equals, open parenthesis, 20 yung number ng ating observation, plus 1, close parenthesis, asterisk, that's times 8, forward slash 10. Parehas lang na 16.8. Pero again, dahil integral yung pinag-uusapan natin, so dapat buo. magiging 17 yan. Kaya nira-round off natin. Hinahanap natin yung pang 17th observation mula sa umpisa. So, ikaw yung pang 17th observation. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung 80th percentile or 8th decile. Now, another example here, quartiles naman. So, quartiles ay 4. Ilan yung ating row data dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, pag quartiles, hahatiin mo lang into 4 equal parts. So, ito yung isang parte, another part, and another part. 4 silang lahat. So, magsisimula ka sa gitna. By inspection kasi pwedeng gawin ito. Magsimula ka sa gitna. So, ang 50% ito. Another 50% ito. So, ibig sabihin, ang median or quartile 2 ay midpoint ni 5 at saka ni 6. So, magiging 5.5 yung quartile 2 mo. Ang quartile 1 naman, by inspection, mag-focus ka lang sa kalahati, yung 50%, tapos hanapin mo yung gitna. So, ito yung quartile 1. Ganon din sa quartile 3, mag-focus ka sa upper 50%, and then hanapin natin yung gitna. So, that is 7. By computation, pag i-compute natin ang quartile 1, parehas, no? Laging capital N plus 1 times yung kung quartile 1, 1 over 4. Pag gagamitin natin yung formula, that is equals, open parenthesis, meron tayong 10 observation plus 1, close parenthesis, asterisk, and then 1 divided by 4, press enter, so that is 2.75. Now, para mas madali, i-round off natin, magiging third observation na ito. So, hanapin mo yung pang third, first, second, third, so ang sagot dyan ay 3. Next, yung quartile 2. So, I have capital N plus 1, that's 11, times, that's asterisk, 2 divided by 4. Wala akong equal sign. Lagyan ko ng equal sign. So, 5.5. Hahanapin ko ngayon yung pang 5.5 item. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So, nagkataon na 5 and 6 yung hinahanapan natin ng midpoint. Kaya, 5.5 din yung ilalagay nating sagot. Then, pag quartile 3, this is equals, this is 10 plus 1 is 11 times, ang ating quartile 3 is 3 over 4. So, that's 3 divided by 4 and then press enter, 8.5. Now, i-round off natin yan, magiging 8 observation. So, hanapin natin yung 8 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, na-arrange na pala ito ng ascending order. So, pag ang row data ay hindi pa naka-ordered array, dapat i-arrange natin muna bago natin i-execute yung computation. So, ang 8 item natin dito ay 7. Now, we move on to the main discussion, ungrouped data. Pag sinabi nating ungrouped data, the data is raw. That is, it's not sorted into categories, classified, or otherwise grouped. Fresh na kinuha information o yung raw data. Let's start with the mean. Pag sinabi nating mean, ito yung calculated average. This is equals sum. Summation natin ito. And then, i-divide natin by 12. Now, ayusin ko lang yung formula ko. Dapat ito ay naka-enclose ng buo. Then, divide by 12. Then, press enter. So, 11 ang ating calculated average. Or, pwede rin naman na, punayin ko muna yung sagot, pwede naman na gamitin na rin natin yung formula ni Excel na average. And then, i-highlight mo lang yon. Then, enter. Two ways, Pwedeng gamitin yung Excel, pwedeng gamitin yung manual. Ngayon, practicein pa rin natin pareho kasi nga, pag sa exam, o kaya, halimbawa lang, sa licensure examination, nagko-compute kayo ng mean, ay hindi ka naman pwedeng mag-Excel. So, dapat alam mo rin kung paano yung long method. So, pag median naman, kailangan nating i-arrange ito into an ordered array. So, kagaya nung example natin dito, ito ay naka-arrange into ordered array. Similar with this is in ascending order as well. So, ito, isusort out natin from smallest to highest. Click sort and filter, custom sort. Click continue, sort, and then hanapin natin si option. Sort left to right, okay. Then row 3 naman ito, tama. Smallest to largest, tama? Click OK. Ayan. So, naayos na natin ito. So, ang median, hanapin mo lang yung gitna. Pag 12 ito, so yung 50% ay 6. Yung upper 50% naman ay 6 din. So, ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang ating row data ay 12. Even number ito. Naturally, pag even number, dalawa yung makikita nating gitna. So, ang gamitin lang natin ay average ng nasa gitnang dalawa. So, this is equals, open parenthesis, 10 plus 12. Close parenthesis, divide by 2. Parehas na 11. Now, pagdating sa mode, inspect lang natin ano ba yung may pinakamarami. 7, once lang nag-appear. 8, once lang nag-appear. Ang 10, 4. Ang 12, 3. Ang 15, 3. So, ang may pinakamataas na appearance ay 10. Ibig sabihin, ang mode natin ay 10. We go to quartile 1, 2, 3. So, for Q1, this is equals. Capital N plus 1 is 12 plus 1. So, that's 13 times. That's asterisk. Times 1 divided by 4. Enter. Round off. So, third. Ito yung third item natin. 1, 2, 3. So, ang ating Q quartile 1 is 10. Q2 or quartile 2 is the same as median. Take note of that. If we use the formula, kopyahin ko lang yung formula ko, pero ito ay 2. Let's look at the decimal value. It's 6.5. Dahil nga nasa gitna ito, kailangan mas accurate tayo. So, 6.5 item. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. Between 10 and 12. So, dapat ang sagot natin dyan, 11. Quartile 3, ganun din ang formula niya. Papalitan mo lang ito ng 3. I-round off natin. This is the 10th item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 15. Decimal 5. Ganun din yung formula. 12 plus 1 is 13. Times 5 over 10. So, that's 5 divided by 10. Okay, 6.5 item ay parehas na 11. Now, P75, that is 12 plus 1, 13 times 75 divided by 100. Pag i-round off ko ito sa whole number, 10. Parehas ba siya sa Q3? Oo, parehas siya sa Q3. Take note na pag quartiles, nahahati siya sa 4. 25%, 50%, 75%. This is the 10th item, parehas na 15. And then we have D9 at P90. Ang formula natin ay 12 plus 1 is 13 times 9 over 10. So this becomes 9 over 10. Okay. 12 item. 15 ang ating sagot. Basically, parehas yung lalabas na sagot. 15. Okay? So, yan ay unang example natin about ungrouped data. Now, we move to our next example. So, pag-usapan naman natin ang pinaka-inaabangan ngayon na sports sa YouTube, NBA.